What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is actually going to be a different type of video. We're going to be doing an install on the RAV4, and I thought I would just record because why not? And Shay's going to be helping me because this is her car. So let me show you what we're going to be installing, because we're actually going on a trip to Ocean City and we want to bring our bikes. So we had to order this, and I thought of just making a video of the install. Might help some people out, and we'll see if we recommend this product. So let's go and get started. I need to change my shirt because I don't want to get this one dirty. Let's go. This is actually what we're gonna be installing. We bought it on Amazon and it was the best tow hitch that we saw on Amazon. It had the best reviews. So this is what we're gonna be installing. We've never done it before. I know Shay has never done it before, and neither have I, because I've only done mods on my 370Z. So this should be interesting. Let's get started.
Start. I don't know what to say.
So this is everything that came in the box. I think the instructions are in there.
There's paper in here. It says manual, yeah.
But it should be pretty simple to install and pretty quick, I hope. But every time I say that,
We're out here for 7 days.
yes. So this is everything that comes in. The instructions, 4 bolts, so it should not be too hard. And
I feel like we're underestimating this project.
yeah, that is Shay's RAV4,
The whip.
which her name is
Martha.
which
2.0.
is weird because that's
the
my
second.
mom's name, but I met her, and her previous car
Was named Martha.
and this one.
Is Martha 2.0. Just with more seats.
Yep. So according to the video that we just watched, they were saying to remove the hangers to drop the exhaust, but we were looking on, or Shay was looking on Amazon, and someone said they did it without removing these, because you have to get to these stickers and remove them so the hitch can attach to this one, and then right back here there's another one. So this would be in the way, but we're gonna try to do it without removing those and save some time. But if we can't, then we're gonna have to
Be here forever.
remove these bolts and drop the exhaust. So
Hopefully we can maneuver it around, so we don't have to worry about that.
So right now I'm getting the sticker, which is kind of hard. Got it. Easy peas. So that's how the sticker looks. Don't know why they're there, but I guess just to protect it from any debris or anything. You're supposed to spray it with lubricant.
We don't got that.
I just clipped my nails so they're like extremely short.
Hot. Sounded like you just farted.
Gosh, these stickers are so freaking hard. I got it. 2.
Sexy.
Good luck.
Good luck, everybody. got it? Let me know if you need me to grab it.
My wrists are like, I can't move, I can't.
Okay. Take it back.
I'll pull it up. I just got it.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
So we thought it was the inside instead of the outside. And we tried to maneuver it over the exhaust and it didn't work.
The stickers.
The stickers, sorry, yeah. So he's taking off the stickers now and we're gonna try again to maneuver it through, because right now the exhaust is in the way. So we're gonna try to maneuver it. Hopefully it works so we don't have to take off the exhaust. And hopefully this goes a lot smoother than it's going right now.
The other way. Should just. What else? Oh, I have to take this one off. I have to. Yeah.
Is it just 2 more bolts?
No, it's the rubber hanger.
Oh. That's the last piece to get the exhaust to drop.
Yeah. Should just come off.
Oh,
Got it.
it's off. Does it go all the way to the ground or does it just hang?
No. Should just hang. Hopefully doesn't. I feel like this would make it a little bit harder.
No, because I think this side is lower than this side. All right. Okay, time update. 2 hours. 2 whole hours. It's supposed to take 30 minutes, but there was one bolt in the very back that would not go in, and we even read in Amazon that somebody else had an issue with it, so we're not the only ones. But it's officially on. We're gonna put the exhaust back up, tighten everything down, and we should be good to go, and then we'll put the bike rack on. Do you have anything to say to the camera? You should, yeah.
What?
Go ahead.
It's probably the most annoying thing I've ever had to put on a car.
I don't believe that.
I do.
I personally don't believe that. I've seen you way more annoyed.
Zooming in.
That's called the 90s dad zoom. Or the 80s, depends on what year you were born. Currently twerking it.
Twerking it?
Twerking it
Yep.
to 86
86.
foot-pounds.
Yep. Almost there. You have to get a special tool to torque down the other side. So I kind of hand tightened it really hard.
Yeah.
So hopefully our bikes don't go flying. I think it'll be good.
I think it's good. I think if we ever,
Yeah, these are tight.
yeah, I think if we ever tow like a U-Haul,
There you go.
then we'd need to make sure we tighten it. But I think this is gonna be just fine for the bikes.
Yep, so that's good. So now we're gonna tighten up the exhaust
Mm-hmm.
and We're gonna try out the
bike
rack.
Yep.
The bike rack?
Yeah, bike rack. And then we'll put the bikes. We'll put the bikes on.
Yeah, we're gonna put that on. We got a hitch pin from Amazon. It has a key and a lock, so that's pretty cool. We just put that in there and it locks the bike rack, so
nobody can take our stuff.
So shout out to Shay's parents, Cindy and Rod. Thank you for the bike rack. It's like a Hollywood bike rack.
It's like super nice.
Yeah, we looked it up and it's a pretty sweet one. So we're gonna put it on and see how it looks. Pretty heavy. I don't know what that is.
There you are, you little whiner. Do we leave you inside?
Hey, little crybaby.
She sneezed on you. Hi, boo.
Like,
Hi, my love.
hey.
Gross. Sneezing on everybody. She said, let me help.
Ow. Gosh. Okay. How does it, you just click it on?
Yep, and you should, well, you have to use the key.
Really?
Did you take it apart?
Huh?
Did you take it apart?
Take what apart? Huh?
Never mind. Riles.
I don't want something to go wrong tomorrow and the bikes just go.
Right?
Yeah.
Tow hitch. We can call my dad too to make sure we set this whole thing up.
Is it on there?
Nope.
Okay, we're gonna try to put the bikes on, secure them, and see how it looks. I think it's gonna look pretty dope.
It's gonna look so nice.
So this is how the bike rack looks. We think it looks so good. We're gonna take off the bikes because we can't leave them on because we have a lot of things to pack.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take these off and should wrap up the video soon.